Two shoppers buy the following at the fruit market. Paying the amounts given, what was the cost of each apple and each banana? Now with these worded problems, you need to start with a statement. So you have to start saying, calling variables for the unknowns. Your hint will always be in the question, what was the cost of each apple and each banana? And that will give you the hint on what you have to make the variable. You will start off by saying, let an apple, you're looking for the cost, so let an apple cost $1. You can make it X or Y. I just find it easy to use A, and a banana cost $B. Okay, so we've got A and B. That's our two variables. Now you need to go and see what they give us. They say 4 apples, which means therefore 4A and 3 bananas, and this plus 3 bananas will cost $5.18. 6 apples, this will be our first equation. Because I have 2 variables, 2 unknowns, I need 2 equations. That's the rule. If I have 1 unknown, I need 1 equation. If I have 3 unknowns, I need 3 equations, etc. So 6 apples, and 5 bananas plus 5b will equals $8.22. That will be our second equation. And now we have to solve simultaneously. If they don't say anything, we always do it by using simultaneous equations and algebraically. Because I don't have one of my unknowns as the subject of the formula, we're going to use elimination. To use elimination, I have to find either get A's the same or get the B's the same. I see that the lowest common multiple for A is 12. So what I'll do is I'm going to use 1. I'm going to take equation 1 and I'm going to multiply it by 3 because the lowest common multiple is 12. So I'm going to take 1 and I'm going to multiply it by 3. If I do that, I'm going to get 3 times 4A is 12A, plus 3 times 3B is 9B, 3 times 5.18 is 15.54, and I'm going to call this 3. I'm going to now try to get this A to 12, so I'm going to take equation 2 and I'm going to multiply that by 2 so I can get to 12. 6 times 2 is 12A, 2 times 5 is plus 10B, and 2 times 8.22 is 16.44, and that will be 4. My A's are the same, so I can now eliminate the A's. To do that, I'll have to take 3 and I'm going to subtract 4 from that. If I subtract 4, the signs change. This positive becomes negative, this positive becomes negative, this positive becomes negative. So I say 12A, take away 12A is 0. 9B, take away 10B is negative B, and that equals 15.54, take away 15.54 is 0.9. So that is negative 0.9. Therefore, B equals, divide both sides with negative, bananas is $0.9, therefore 90 cents. Okay, now I'm going to sub, I'm just going to move over here, I'm going to say sub B equal to 0.9 into any one of these 4. Really doesn't matter, I'm just going to put it into 1. It is 4A plus 3B. I'm going to use my bracket. B is now not B, but it's 0.9. that equals 5.18. This is going to give me 4a equals, I'm going to have 5.18, and this is going to say take away 3 times 0.9, which is 2.7. So this is going to be plus, I'm going to take it away both sides. So 4a equals 518, take away 2.7 equals 2.48. To get rid of 4, I'm going to divide both sides by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. So a equals 0.62 dollars. So therefore, because it's a worded question, we're going to have a worded answer. We're going to say apples cost $0.62 or 62 cents. Bananas cost $0.9 or 90 cents. This is each.